Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am Dr. Imran Mahmood. I am here with another experiment relevant to cotton. Our dear students, we have already discussed about how we can calculate the age of cotton plant or how we can estimate the date of sowing of cotton plant. And we also discussed about sympodial branches and pattern of the branches and fruiting at the cotton plant. Now, I again brief you about the facts, what is the logics between the formulas and the methods we have described previous in the field, how to calculate the cotton, the age of the cotton plants. And students, look at the picture we have started. That first of all, you look at this, that is a cotyledonary node. And after that cotyledonary node, there are 3 to 4 nodes that are called main stem nodes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Basically it is main stem node of cotton, and this is the main stem of the cotton, this one. And these branches, this one, these branches which carry directly fruits, they are called sympodial branches, or the fruit that is called sympodial fruit, or the leaves which are present on these branches, they are also called sympodial leaves. While look at this branch, this is monopodial branch, because this branch is not directly bearing the fruit, because after this, look at this branch again carries a small branch again, and this branch carries the fruit, this one. So this is monopodial branch, while the branch which directly bear the fruit, that is called sympodial branch. Look at this branch, this is again sympodial branch. Now we have discussed about calculation of the age. Basically from germination to development of first cotyledonary nodes, normal the cotton plant requires 7 days. Again, from germination to initiation of first cotyledonary nodes, normally the cotton plant, it takes 7 days. While from one node to other, whether it is main stem node, it requires 2.5 days. Let's say from this node to this node, it will take 2.5 days. From this node to this one, it again will take 2.5 days, and from this node to this node, it will again take 2.5 days. Similarly, from this node to this node, it will take 2.5 days. So when we total calculate the number of nodes starting from first node of main stem, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and this one is 19 terminal node, which is called also terminal node. In this case, it is 19 nodes. So we multiply 19 with 2.5. Okay, this will actually give us number of days from that the plant has taken from first node to other node. While we have already discussed that plant takes 7 days from germination to establishment of first cotyledonary node. So after multiplying the number of nodes with 2.5, we will add 7 in this. Look at what how will be the number of total days of the age of this plant. For example, we have here taken that it takes it has 19 nodes. 19 multiplied by 2.5, it will be equal to 47.5 days. Okay, now add 7 and 47.5 days, it will take 54.5 days, or we can say 54 to 55 days. The age of this plant, it will be 55 to 54 days. While we how we can calculate now the date of sowing, then we have to go back 55 days back from the days at which we have taken number of nodes of this plant. That date will be the date of sowing of this plant. Okay, look at this. These are basically the open bowls which contains a lint. Upper first portion of the white flour, that is white flour. One thing we have already discussed in theory, that when how can we scout the plant whether it require irrigation or not. For estimation of irrigation, whether the plant is under stress or not, if the white flowers did appear at top of the plant, most of the white flowers, when we go in the field and look that most of the white flowers, they are at top of the plant, it means the plant is under stress. It requires the water. Similarly, when we break the plant from this stage, uppermost twig, if it breaks with a sound of breaking something like bubble, tick, कड़क जिसको हम कहते हैं, कड़क की आवाज़ से अगर वो टूटता है, इसका मतलब है there is sufficient water and there is no need of irrigation. Similarly, at the top, normally at this position, the bark at the top, when it normally has pink color. If the pink color it is at upper side, it means the water, the plant is under stress. If the pink color is relatively on lower side of top, that means the plant is not under water stress. This is basically scouting of the plant for requirement of water. Thank you very much, guys. This is the method we can calculate the age. Now I have briefly pointed that why we multiply number of nodes with 2.5 and why we add 7 in that factor that we obtained. Thank you very much.